The app called Common Sustainable Spending, earn eco-friendly rewards. So here you can just double click to install the Sustainable Living Made Easy. Search before you shop. Discover brands that don't greenwash. Earn rewards for sustainable living. Take climate action with community. Track your daily climate progress. Search before you shop to discover sustainable brands you can trust and boycott the ones you can't. Find practical tips for the consumption and just collective climate challenges to be part of your community impact. So expert brand ratings and rewards for sustainable choices, collective challenges. So here's the app. You can just open it up. And then you can just easily create an account like that. And then here it is. So you just earn your first seeds. And then you can just have some onboarding. You can link your account and notifications. And then basically here's the idea. So for example, you have this brand. You see this, this is a sustainable brand. You can visit the website, and when you shop with it, I guess you can earn some seeds. And then when you earn 500 seeds, you will unlock some rewards. So yeah, that's how it works. You can just add your cards. So how it works: earn seeds as you build your sustainable. Get bonuses when you complete challenges. Redeem seed gifts. So track your carbon footprint. So yeah, if you shop with these brands, you just earn these seeds and you just get in these nice gift cards. And then you have your progress. So kind of interesting app if you're really into sustainability and climate change. You can use this app. I don't know whether they have oh, by the way, they also have some kind of referral code, so feel free to use my referral code in here. So that's what you have in here. So yeah, feel free to use that. So there you have it. That's the app. Quite fun. You can see some reviews as well. Quite good reviews. Let's check out. Want to like it? All plus size brands are labeled as harmful. This app is just to promote shopping. You need to connect your credit card and cannot create an account. So some people are a bit complaining, but overall quite good ratings. And yeah, this app is almost reaching top 200 apps in lifestyle in US App Store. So quite a nice idea overall.